Go for me now.
Hey, Mom. Yes, your daddy kissing you, buddy. And there's my big baby growing up so fast in her walker. Yes, buddy. Say hi to your daddy, Mama. Say hi to everybody. You, Mickey baby, huh? You love your toys. Hey, Mama, dance for it. Goo, goo, goo. Hey, Mom. Booty, Shania. Hey, Daddy. Hey, Pa. Do a dance for me. Come on. You could already say, Pa. Hey, Mama. Did Daddy eat you, huh? Baby, say hi to the camera. Say, don't run me over. Your daddy is sweet. Crazy driver on the loose, and daddy is, I don't know, guiding her. Oh, excuse my language. Oh my God. It's gonna make me slip and fall, maybe hurt my foot. Shania, tell your daddy to stop, Mama. Ooh, she's already on the cell phone. Look, she's got her own car, huh, Mama? You got it blinging. You're on the cell phone. Who you calling, Mama? Your TT? You calling your TT, Mama? Hey, Mama. Ooh, you busty. You're eating the phone. Once you call it, Mom, open it. Once you call it, Mama, open the phone and call your TT. Don't beat it up on your steering wheel, honey. There's her daddy. That's her dad's clone. Shania, this is little Samuel all over again. This is daddy. And look at her dad eating. I tell you, you got the same head as each other. That's her clone. Her daddy is her clone, I tell you. She looks just like her daddy, but the only prettiest thing, she's so gorgeous because she looks so pretty because she's got her mother's eyes. And look at them pink socks. She just tossed my phone. Mom, you're mean. You're so mean. What, you chunk it at me to hit me in the head with it? Good thing you missed, but it was right by my foot. Look, phone. Look at how close it was to my foot. You see how the distance is from her? She can really toss stuff really fast. Huh, Mama? Yes, you could. Okay.